Your tires are your car's only contact with the road. Keeping them in good shape is critical for safety. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? First, check the tread depth. Measures less than 1.6 millimeters. Replacement is needed for safety. Next, inspect the sidewalls carefully. Look for any cracks, cuts, bulges, or bubbles. These can be signs of internal damage or weakness. If there are cracks, cuts, or bulges, it's unsafe to drive on and requires immediate replacement. Replacing worn or damaged tires is an investment in your safety. Maintaining correct tire pressure means safety and savings. So, how to check it? Pay attention to your current tire pressure readings displayed on the dashboard screen or within the vehicle's infotainment system. Look for the standard tire pressure inside the driver's door frame. In summer heat, tires expand. Reduce pressure slightly to prevent overinflation and wear. Winter coldness contracts tires. Add pressure to improve grip and fuel efficiency on icy roads. Appropriate tire pressure means longer tire life and better range. Worn brake pads can reduce braking force and damage brake discs. Early detection saves lives and your wallet. Measure the thickness of brake pads using appropriate tools. It is recommended to check the brake disc at the same time when replacing the brake pads. Severe wear of the brake pads can also cause wear on the brake disc. If the brake pedal becomes soft or the brake stroke becomes longer, it is highly likely that the thickness of the brake pads is insufficient. Before checking the wipers, you can activate wiper service position via the screen. Lift blades clear of hood to prevent paint damage. Check for cracks, stiffness, or splits. Healthy rubber should be flexible like this. New blades give silent, streak-free vision. Driving with worn blades? That's a safety hazard. If there is any scraping, jumping during operation, or water streaks left after wiping, please replace them. Find the blue cap with windshield symbol. Always use windshield washer fluid, never plain water.